India's borders are no longer merely lines drawn on a map. Today they have become powerful gateways to the progress, connectivity and opportunities of a new India.
ईस्ट एशिया के साथ हमारी कनेक्टिविटी लगातार सशक्त हो रही है और नया बन रहा इंडिया अनेक नई संभावनाएं लेकर आ रहा है.
Spanning 15,106 kilometers and connecting India with 7 neighboring countries: Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. These borders position India as a vibrant hub of trade, people-to-people connectivity and cultural exchange. Recognizing the strategic importance of these border gateways, the Government of India established the Land Ports Authority of India on 1st of March 2012. Its mission was to transform traditional border checkpoints and land customs stations into modern integrated checkposts capable of facilitating seamless trade, travel and connectivity. Today, 15 land ports are operational, with plans to expand this network to 49 land ports within the next decade, and eventually to 89 land ports in the years ahead under the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Land ports are emerging as critical hubs of multimodal connectivity. By integrating road, rail, waterways and logistics networks, these ports are enabling faster, smoother and more cost-effective movement across border regions. This integrated approach is injecting new momentum into trade, transportation and regional economic development.
हमारी 15,000 किलोमीटर लंबी भूमि सीमा और दक्षिण एशिया के सारे देशों के साथ हमारे सांस्कृतिक संबंध, राजद्वारी संबंध और व्यापारी संबंध को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए लैंड पोर्ट अथॉरिटी एक बहुत बड़ी संस्था है, जिसको मोदी जी ने 2016 से एक प्रकार से नई गति, नई दिशा और नए आयाम देने का काम किया है.
Modern land ports developed by LPAI offer much more than cargo handling facilities. They have evolved into comprehensive ecosystems equipped with state-of-the-art warehousing facilities, container yards, logistics parks and cargo terminals that support efficient trade operations. Through the Land Port Management System, digital processes and modern infrastructure, export clearance times have been significantly reduced, making cross-border trade more efficient than ever before. The results of these efforts are clearly visible. Trade through land ports has witnessed remarkable growth, increasing from 5,000 crore rupees to 83,000 crore rupees. Passenger movement has risen from approximately 80,000 to nearly 30 lakh, while cargo vehicle movement has grown from 1 lakh to 7 lakh. By bringing together customs, immigration, security agencies and other stakeholders on a single platform, passenger convenience remains central to LPAI's development vision. Modern passenger terminals are equipped with pink rooms, childcare facilities, immigration areas, comfortable waiting lounges, information kiosks, foreign exchange counters, duty-free outlets and medical assistance services, ensuring a safe, convenient and seamless travel experience for all. Beyond trade and transportation, land ports are serving as bridges of culture, heritage and tourism. Historic and sacred routes such as the Ramayana Circuit, Buddhist Circuit and Kartarpur Sahib Corridor are strengthening cross-border cultural ties and opening new opportunities for religious tourism and people-to-people engagement. The benefits of these connectivity corridors extend beyond trade and travel. They are strengthening local handicrafts, culture and commerce in border regions. Skill development programs regularly organized by LPAI for youth and women are empowering local communities and contributing to the Government of India's broader agenda of good governance and inclusive development. With green growth, digital innovation, passenger convenience and trade facilitation at its core, the Land Ports Authority of India is creating modern gateways that serve commerce, communities, and connectivity alike. Land Ports Authority of India, a bridge from connectivity to prosperity.